Gosh. Suspenseful. We each keep trying to
leader. How long's your leader?
Not very long.
Well, maybe I didn't see it. Snow in your eye. Oh, there he is. Hey. There he is. That's a big
yeah, that's
a muskie.
oh
I
gosh.
think it's huge, Nate.
That's a nice fish, Nate. Oh man.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Alright, Aaron, since you don't do literally anything.
What the? Hurry up
gotta-
and beat this guy.
Huh?
Oh, now you blew it.
He's a pro guide.
He blew
Nope,
it.
he's not. Pull quick pull. Give us a second to quick pull the bolt cover off. Oh, I suppose it was pulled off here.
Pull in front of these guys, huh?
Well, should we untarp and everything?
Mhm.
Just pull over.
Yeah, don't you think so?
I think so.
Get it all ready to go.
All right, we made it out. Rainy River 2025. Got a few boats here. Just been in the water about 3 minutes. Aaron had to run back to get his phone because he's a millennial.
Hello.
He can't live without his phone. Nate's hooked up.
We are hooked up.
It's official.
First fish of the trip. I don't think it's that big. Slimer. Well, I would have never guessed that, but we'll take a little slime in the boat.
Heck yeah. Get the slime off.
Flop it right on there.
Unintentional.
Yeah, I didn't try to do that.
There you go.
Cool. Here's Aaron.
He's like, hey guys, why don't you go ahead and go fishing? I'm just gonna go for a walk. There he is. We're already on the board.
Sure you are. Hey, I already got my 10,000 steps in.
Nice.
Or more. Holy balls, that's a ways.
Well, hey guys, it's Aaron and Ross and Nate. We made it up to the Rainy River, and we actually just got set up. We're gonna see about targeting some sturgeon, something that's not in any of our wheelhouse, but we're gonna try, huh?
Let's do it.
Hopefully. I don't know. It seems like some of the boats that are around us, it looks like they're anchored up and doing the same thing. So if nothing else, we might be in a good spot. I don't know. Time will tell. Doesn't seem too conducive to be on a boat with the doggone blizzard that we're sitting fishing in, but it's still better than sitting on the couch, so we'll take it. Wish us luck. Have you even seen it? Just so it doesn't get in your motor on. My line's still out too. Yeah, it doesn't pay to horse it, does it? Suspenseful. We each keep trying to look.
leader. How long's your leader?
Oh yeah, oh gosh, that's a nice fish, Nate. Oh man, you got him! All right, buddy.
Awesome.
Oh, that's freaking awesome.
Look at that. What's that on it?
That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Got a lamprey bonus for you.
Bonus.
Oh, look at that.
Snoot.
And the old schnoz. Look at his head. He had a lamprey in his head too at one time. Oh, the poor guy had it on his fin and
Yeah. To my.
well, he already had a 19 now, or a 19 and a half. I put it on its belly. Oh, there you go. 50 incher. Yeah, it's down there. Giving her the bear hug. Yeah, that's sweet, Nate. Good for you. That's awesome.
Cool.
Aaron's hooked up sturgeon.
Oh, come on, baby.
How's it feel, Arnold?
Doesn't feel too bad, actually. I can feel it shake its head.
It's bigger than we thought it was.
Yeah, I wonder. I can't get him to come off the bottom.
Oh,
There I did. Oh, it's not that big. He must have been wrapped up or something.
that's pretty big.
That's pretty nice.
Okay, get over this way now. Come to me. Come to Papa. There it comes up, buddy.
Nice fish.
Yeah, it's a cutie, huh? Awesome. Pretty sweet. Yeah, that one's really good hook set. All right, look at that.
That bad boy.
Oh yeah. How's that?
I think that should be good.
Are we good?
Yep.
So you ready, Ross? I don't need to measure this one. There it goes. Sweet.
Nice job.
Nice.
Cool. It's not big, whatever it is.
But you got it anyway, huh? Still not big? Oh. Look like it's bending your rod pretty good. Hey, look at there. Hey, they come in all sizes.
Cool.
Oh, that thing is cool. Oh, talk about spiny.
Boy, that one's gonna cut you.
Oh. That one's really spiny.
Wow. You'll probably get caught 20
Jeepers
times.
creepers. That's crazy. Can you see yourself in here? Yeah, that thing is nutso. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nothing on there?
Aaron.
Here. It's going already. It's going already, Nathan.
Aaron's gonna get hooked up here. Sammy the Sturgeon.
Oh, yeah, he's on.
Oh, attaboy.
He's on.
You better get my
first. Oh, here's my rod tip.
Calm down, Nate. I'll get it.
I'll give you this.
Must be a tank.
Oh, come on.
Is he coming?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's not as big as.
What?
It's not as big as. Are you kidding me?
That's big.
That's 60 all day.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
here comes Nathan.
Get a temperature.
You're in, baby.
Got her.
You're in, baby.
You're in. You got her.
You're in. Oh yeah. Settle down, guy. Settle down. Oh, nope, Nate, you're the winner still. 55. Yep, 55er. Holy.
Get a head on that.
What a creature. Oh, unless it's a big walleye. That'd be cool. That'd be real cool. Almost 12 minutes. This thing's kicking your butt. It's just a waiting game, isn't it, Nathan? Why don't you just shut up? Oh, Ross wanted to. Here, Nate.
White half-ounce jig. They're kind of cool looking when they're smaller like this, though.
Yeah, right?
Big.
Bigger
Yeah.
than you think.
I think.
No, it's not. Is it? It would have went there, Nate. Although it's still a nice fish.
Get up here.
He's right here. Oh, there you go, guys.
Heck yeah. Sweet.
Is that a different kind of sturgeon, or are they all the same in here?
Can you get his tail to come out?
Probably not.
Just not cooperating.
Nothing, huh? Holy, that's a good gob too you got on there. Let's see what you got for a setup there. What side you go? Just two? Oh, a 2 ouncer, huh? And a nice big gob of chicken guts.
Dug some worms this morning.
Right. Yeah, it was so nice out. We dug worms. Perfect. Not very long snell, about 16 inches maybe. All All right, Natey, buddy. Yeah, clear the area. Remember, don't jerk the hook now. You just start reeling when you feel it. Did you feel it? What's it feel like? Good?
Hey, we got one.
So we gotta clear our rods? A little different than your walleye rod, Nathan? Here it comes. Here it comes. That's a pretty one. There you go. You turned its head even. Nice. Nice. Yes. Good job there, buddy. Good job there, dude. Get yourself some, Nate.
Hooked out.
Yeah, but you're still caught in the net, so once you get her cleared, we'll just throw the net over here. Maybe. It's funny, isn't it? They feel sandpapery, but they're slippery. So close. Nice, Nate. Nice.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah, darn right you should. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Nathan? Close. Pretty dang close. Nice. That's the way to fight them, huh?
Cool.
Ross is hooked up again.
See it on the live scope there?
Not this again. I don't think it's a walleye. I think it's a smaller sturgeon, don't you? Did you see it?
Yeah, it is Sturgeon. No, it's a walleye. Oh, for sure.
Yeah. No, no, it's a walleye.
That was Waldo.
You're just crushing, Ross.
30-incher.
Just crushing today. Tried swimming through the net, huh?
Sturgeon.
Old sturgeon slayer. Nice.
Sturgeon. Horrible hooks are nice.
Got to get a picture of it. Right? It's probably maybe a little sturgeon, huh?
Oh, it's a nice walleye.
Oh, it is, huh? Well, look at, you wanted to get a decent walleye.
I think I got her. Probably not the one, but it's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a dandy.
That's a good one, Nathan.
Come on, girl.
Oh, get it to the net. Oh yeah, Nate. That's what you wanted, buddy. Sturgeon fishing bycatch. Right? Is that bycatch and sturgeon fishing?
24 or 5? Huh?
Yeah, I bet you it's 25, maybe.
Maybe. It's bad.
Yeah, it is. Got to get his tail to lay down. $25. Look alive. Nice job, Nathan. Good job.
Thank you.
Must be that news channel coming to see us, huh? Oh, look at you. Got his little sturgeon by the tail. That's still pretty cool though, Nate. Let me reel up here quick. I want to come back and visit you, so try to get him in the boat. Yeah, you got him. That's pretty fun, huh?
Those things are pretty active.
Yeah, pretty cool looking. You see yourself in there?
Cool little fish.
Yeah, hang on. Let me get a picture for you. That little dinosaur. Boy, the thing's just all wriggly and crazy now in this one. Oh, guys, I'm wishing you luck, buddy.
Thank you. Just slowly reel.
Yeah. That one is definitely taking some line. Are you on? Yeah. Oh. With that rod.
Feels pretty good.
Oh, shut.
Better get yourself.
Ross will. Attaboy, Nate.
Heck yeah. That didn't take long, huh?
No, gosh, no. Give us a peek of it, Nate. You keep teasing us all the time. Wow. Back and forth on the boat. Want me or Ross to take over yet?
Won't be long, guys.
Getting worked.
Wow, that's good.
You can see him? Not yet.
There it is.
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at oh. I think that's bigger than your other one, Nate. Oh my god, that thing's huge. Hopefully you can get him away from the boat. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Jeez. Oh no, it's in there. Okay, let's keep him over there until we get some stuff moved around, huh? Just keep him out there. It's almost a two-man job, huh, guys? That is a frickin' behemoth. Holy.
Even just to get them on this thing. Just pull it back a little bit. What's that?
Yeah. Oh my God.
You want to take some pictures, Ross? Oh. Oh, shit.
Wow. You want me out of there? That thing is giant. That's a definite trophy, Nate. Doesn't it?
That thing is freaking massive.
Maybe 4. Of course you are.
Well, did he grab off?
Here. And then slide it back once you hold the spot on the fish. Hold the spot on the fish and then slide it back.
Yeah.
63. We'll call her 3, Nate. Gosh, what an absolute Brutus.
Not very graceful, but
There goes that big chunk. How'd you start your morning, Nate?
awesome.
That was awesome, buddy.
That was cool. Thanks, guys.
That's what happens when you're just enjoying the day and not paying attention.
I got it, Nate.
He's got her, Nate.
Oh, you got it?
Always got you, Nate.
Ross with the assist.
Yeah, just minding her own business fishing, huh, Nate? Oh,
Just about missed that one.
no, this is the one I'd love to see you get off on and fish. Ross, will ya? Come on.
Try it.
It'd be fun to get doubles once, wouldn't it?
You know how to tighten the drag and take the clicker off and all that?
No, I've never used a reel before.
I didn't know how to do it.
Just trying to
Things a
get
little unorthodox.
I never
Jeez, that's going fast, eh?
had a Tacora before.
Well, I suppose you probably had one.
Look at how fast that's taking line. There it is, gone, huh? Dang, that sucks that was your turn. Oh, what the
heck
Get
is-
that thing in here. Oh,
Boat flip.
what the? Oh, it had a lamprey on it too. Cool, I'm gonna look at that thing. What the?
Cut
Nothing.
bait.
you
He
go,
says
Nates.
nothing.
It didn't feel like anything.
Swimming towards you. That must be what's taking our how you
never
gonna
know
hold
what
that
you're gonna get in the
beast?
river.
Huh?
Oh,
There you go.
wow. Look at you, just multi-species,
River monster.
huh? I'd say. That's
Thanks,
too funny.
Nate. Thanks for letting me have that one.
Good. Oh, I can't
Now
wait
it's
till my
Aaron's turn.
Hey, I can't wait till my turn. Yeah, that's pretty
Let's
funny.
get a good release on this thing.
Yeah, you got to be gentle with these things. Oh yeah, baby.
There it goes.
Wow.
Aaron's on. Gonna
Not on anything yet.
Oh, you're on. You're on, son.
Not on
Showtime.
anything yet. Come on. Be there again, please.
Got one, right?
You got a fish? Oh yeah,
Now we're on.
he's on.
Now we're on, buddy.
Nate'll reel him up, Ross.
I got you.
It could handle it. Whatever idea was to come out fishing this morning, it was a great idea. Hey, you're welcome. Oh man.
So cool. The power is just unreal. You can feel him swimming.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Be a giant.
I don't think it's a giant. Got off?
No.
I gave him too much, I think, huh?
Did it bend the hook?
That sucks. Can you see good with the sun? So this is a lamprey that just came off a doggone fish we caught. Look at those crazy teeth in there. I don't know, I wonder what those fish feel like when they get... I don't know, look at it. It's like a giant bloodsucker. Oh no, oh, oh, wow. Boy, they bite good. Yeah. I want to try. Try. Oh, there's a few boats. A few boats must be getting close to quitting time, huh? Looks like it's almost quitting time, doesn't it? Well, what do you guys think? Did you guys have a good trip?
Absolutely awesome trip.
Yeah, it was phenomenal. I mean, the weather wasn't great. Had some wind and cold, but we still managed to catch some fish.
Yeah, for
two,
sure.
Two personal best fish. My 62-inch was the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life, so
yeah,
it was awesome.
My little 55 too was pretty sweet.
My 54 was marginal.
Right. But I thought it was pretty good, you know, come up here and try to target some of these sturgeon, and what do we end up catching? 10?
10.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
So I don't know, all in all, I think we had a good trip, huh?
Absolutely.
Now we just get to go and wait in line. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, there's a line. Line coming and line going. All right, well, what do you think, Ross?
Till next time, ABO.
Nate?
Thanks for watching.
Till the next adventure. See ya.